This is a review of the Milwaukee screw gun that we have for display today. And as you can see right here, I really like this screw gun. I have used this thing for many years. I think I've had this for over 4 years right now, and it still works for me great. So I used it a lot for HVAC. You can use it for any kind of trade out there, or if you're just wanting to do stuff around your house, highly recommend Milwaukee. They build some just bulletproof stuff. They just build amazing quality. So this is a little kind of a detail about this gun. So right here at the top, this is a different levels that you can be able to adjust the gun for you. So for example, if you're going to be drilling into stuff, that's where you can be able to set that mode. Be best for drilling into anything that you have. So next thing is you can be able to adjust it depending on the amount of strength that you want to be able to screw into something. So the nice thing is you can be able to, let's say if you're doing screwing in screws and you don't want it to go too far in, you can be able to adjust it right here to the amount of force that it's going to give out. So, which is really nice. So, and that is all done right here again, and that's going to twist depending on what you're wanting. So this is how it works. You're going to pull this out to be able to remove any bit that you have. So for example, this is a bit that we have. It's just going to slide in right there, as you can see. You can't pull it out. That's where you need to pull this, and there you see it. Did you see that? We're going to do it again for an example. So that you can be able to pull it, and you can be able to shake it out, or I just pull it out with my fingers, or you can just, there you go. So once again, that's how it pops in. And as you can see right here, it has the light, so it can be able to light up the area that you're working in. So if it's a little bit darker out, that's the nice thing. So you don't have to hold a cell phone and the screw gun trying to screw into something or unscrew or fix something in the middle of the night. So that is a nice thing also. So next we have is a loop right here. So this is a belt loop so that you can be able to slide into your pants that you have or anything like that. Or let's say if you have a belt, or let's say a belt to carry all your tools in, it can be able to slide in there, and then you don't have to be able to hang on to it every single day. It fits to your hands just like perfect. Like whoever did this, it just feels like a pocket that it just fits perfect in. So that's my 2 cents on it. And this is how it works. As you can see right here, this is the forward and backward mode. So if you're screwing this stuff, you need to reverse it, push this little button right here, and it can be able to reverse it for you. Next, we have this little indication right here. This tells you the amount of battery life your battery has. So make sure to if you're only purchasing the tool, make sure you purchase some really big batteries so that it can be able to have a longer life that you need. So but yeah, that's mainly a quick detail of the Milwaukee screw gun. If you are needing, once again, a great quality, high amazing screw gun, check out Milwaukee for any of your needs.